Survival in the great outdoors isn't just a hobby, it's a matter of life and death. And when it comes to survival, having the right gear can mean the difference between making it out in one piece or being left in the wilderness. In this video, we will show you the 10 must-have survival gear and gadgets that you simply can't afford to ignore. Whether you're an experienced adventurer or just looking to be better prepared, these are the tools that can turn the tide when the going gets tough. So let's dive straight into the video. Number 10. Pocket Saw Survival Chainsaw. A pocket saw is a compact and portable cutting tool designed for outdoor and survival situations. These saws consist of a chain with bidirectional teeth that can cut in both directions. They're designed for cutting through wood, branches, and even small trees quickly and efficiently. The sharp teeth and the chain design make them an effective cutting tool. Pocket saws can be used for various purposes, such as building a shelter, gathering firewood, or creating a pathway through thick vegetation. Number 9. Paracord Survival Bracelet. A paracord survival bracelet is a wearable piece of survival gear made from parachute cord. The primary advantage of a paracord survival bracelet is that you can carry several feet of cordage discreetly on your wrist. This means you'll always have a length of cordage with you, which can be invaluable in emergency situations. Since it's worn as a bracelet, you can quickly unravel and deploy the paracord when needed. Number 8. Tops Knives Modern Gladius. The Tops Knives Modern Gladius is a high-quality fixed-blade knife designed and manufactured by Tops Knives, a well-known brand in the field of survival and outdoor cutlery. The Modern Gladius is a modern interpretation of the traditional Roman gladius sword, known for its practicality and effectiveness in combat and survival situations. The Modern Gladius is a versatile tool suitable for various outdoor activities such as camping, survival, hunting, and bushcraft. Number 7. Glowline Emergency Light Sticks. Glowline emergency light sticks are an excellent source of portable, reliable, and safe illumination during emergencies. They come in the form of chemical light sticks and are non-toxic, waterproof, and weather-resistant. To activate them, you simply bend or snap the stick, which then emits a steady glow. These light sticks are invaluable during power outages, outdoor activities, and emergencies. They're often used for lighting pathways, signaling for help, marking locations, and can even be used as a non-battery operated light source in your emergency preparedness kit. Number 6. LifeStraw. LifeStraw is a groundbreaking portable water filter designed for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, and survivalists. Using advanced filtration technology, LifeStraw can turn contaminated water into safe, drinkable water. It effectively removes bacteria and parasites, ensuring that the water is safe to consume. LifeStraw is ideal for backpacking, camping, hiking, or any situation where access to clean and safe drinking water may be scarce. It's a lightweight and compact tool that allows you to drink directly from rivers, streams, or other water sources without worrying about waterborne diseases. Number 5. Outtrek Blue Survival Kit. The Outtrek Blue Survival Kit is a comprehensive collection of essential survival tools and items bundled into a rugged and portable case. This kit typically includes a compass, fire starter, whistle, multi-purpose knife, paracord, and more, all designed for various survival scenarios. The Outtrek Blue Survival Kit is a versatile toolset for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and preppers. It provides essential tools to navigate, start fires, signal for help, cut and prepare food, and perform a range of survival tasks, all in a convenient and organized package. Number 4. Waterproof Lighter. The waterproof lighter is a rechargeable electric lighter designed to withstand windy and wet conditions. It is ideal for igniting fires in adverse weather and is built to be reusable. This lighter is a dependable tool for outdoor cooking, starting campfires, and providing an emergency fire source when traditional lighters and matches may fail due to adverse conditions. Number 3. Magnesium Fire Starter. A magnesium fire starter is a compact and highly reliable tool for igniting fires in outdoor survival and emergency situations. Typical magnesium fire starter consists of 2 main components, a small block of magnesium and a flint or ferrocerium rod. The magnesium block is often attached to the rod, and the rod usually has a striker or scraper tool integrated into it. Magnesium is a highly flammable metal. When shaved into small, fine shavings or dust, it can catch fire easily, even in adverse conditions. Number 2. Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife. The Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife is a rugged and versatile fixed-blade knife designed for outdoor and survival enthusiasts. Mossy Oak, a well-known brand in the hunting and outdoor industry, offers a range of hunting and survival gear, including this knife. The blade length can vary, but is typically in the range of 3.5 to 5 inches, providing a practical balance between versatility and control. The handle is designed for comfort and durability. It's usually constructed from materials like rubber, wood, or synthetic materials that offer a secure grip even in wet conditions. Number 1. Military wool blanket. A military wool blanket, also known as a military surplus wool blanket, is a heavy-duty, high-quality blanket made from wool that has been designed for military use. These blankets are known for their durability, warmth, and versatility, and they have a long history of being used in various military applications. Military wool blankets are typically made from a blend of wool, often combined with synthetic materials for added durability. The wool provides exceptional warmth, moisture-wicking properties, and resistance to odors. These blankets are relatively heavy, which is a testament to their warmth and quality. The weight can vary, but often falls within the range of 4 to 5 pounds. And there you have it, folks. 10 of the coolest survival gear items that you need to have in your arsenal. But hey, the adventure doesn't stop here. If you found this video informative and these survival gadgets piqued your interest, do you have a favorite item from our list? Or maybe you've got a survival gear suggestion that's worth featuring in our future videos? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things survival, camping, and outdoor gear.